Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation x to the power 4 plus x minus 2 whole to the power 4 equal to 82. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. Since the average of bases is x minus 1, so we rewrite this x to the power 4 as x minus 1 plus 1 whole to the power 4. Plus we rewrite this x minus 2 whole to the power 4 as x minus 1 minus 1 whole to the power 4 equal to 82. Now we suppose that x minus 1 equal to u. So this will become u plus 1 whole to the power 4 plus this will become u minus 1 whole to the power 4 equal to 82. Now to expand these two expressions we use Pascal's triangle and binomial theorem. Pascal's triangle is 1 1 and 1 2 1 1. This 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 1. 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 3 6, 3 plus 1 4 1 and 1. Since we have fourth power, so we use this row. According to binomial theorem, a plus b whole to the power 4 is equal to a to the power 4 plus 4a cubed b plus 6a squared b squared plus 4ab cubed plus b to the power 4 and a minus b whole to the power 4 is equal to a to the power 4 minus 4a cubed b plus 6a squared b squared minus 4ab cubed plus b to the power 4. By using this identity, this u plus 1 whole to the power 4 will become u to the power 4 plus 4u cubed plus 6u squared plus 4 times u plus 1 to the power 4 is 1, and by using this identity, this u minus 1 whole to the power 4 will become plus u to the power 4 minus 4u cubed plus 6u squared minus 4 times u plus 1 to the power 4 is 1 equal to 82. This negative 4u will be cancelled out with this positive 4u, and this negative 4u cubed will be cancelled out with this positive 4u cubed, and this u to the power 4 plus u to the power 4 will become 2 times u to the power 4, and this 6u squared plus 6u squared will become plus 12u squared. This 1 plus this one will become plus 2 equal to 82. Now from the left hand side we can factor out 2, and in bracket left u to the power 4 plus 6u squared plus 1 equal to 82, and if we divide both sides by 2, this implies that u to the power 4 plus 6u squared plus 1 equal to 41. Move this 41 to the left hand side, then this will become u to the power 4 plus 6u squared plus 1 minus 41 equal to 0. This u to the power 4 can be written as u squared whole squared plus 6u squared, and 1 minus 40 will become negative 40 equal to 0. Now we suppose that let u squared is equal to t. So the equation will become t squared plus 6 times t minus 40 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation and is factorable. We write this t squared, and we break this 6 times t into two terms, plus 10 times t and negative 4 times t minus 40 equal to 0. From these two terms we can factor out t. In bracket left t plus 10, and from these two terms we can factor out negative 4. In bracket left t plus 10 equal to 0. And this t plus 10 is a common factor, so we factor out this t plus 10, and in bracket left t minus 4 equal to 0. Now from here, either this expression t plus 10 equal to 0, or this expression t minus 4 equal to 0. From this equation we get the value of t equal to negative 10, and from this equation we get the value of t equal to 4. And recall that we have supposed that u squared equal to t. We have supposed that u squared is equal to t. When t is negative 10, then this will become u squared is equal to negative 10. If we take a square root of both sides, this implies that u is equal to plus or minus root negative 10. This implies that u is equal to plus or minus I times root 10. And when t is 4, then this will become u squared is equal to 4. If we take a square root of both sides, this implies that u is equal to plus or minus 2. Now recall that we have supposed that x minus 1 equal to u. We have supposed that x minus 1 equal to u. When u is plus minus I times root 10, then this will become x minus 1 is equal to plus minus I times root 10. Move this negative 1 to the right hand side, this will become x is equal to 1 plus or minus I times root 10. And when u is plus minus 2, then this will become x minus 1 equal to plus minus 2. Move this negative 1 to the right hand side, this will become x is equal to 1 plus minus 2. And from here we get two values of x. x3 is equal to 1 plus 2, 3. And x4 is equal to 1 minus 2, negative 1. And this is the first and second value of x. So we have 4 solutions for this equation: 1 plus minus I times root 10, 3 and negative 1.